Lesson 2 is about statements, conditionals, and biconditionals. In the previous lesson, we introduced ourselves to logical arguments. This lesson, we continue towards logical arguments. Now, the lesson objectives are write compound statements for conjunctions and disjunctions and determine truth values, and then identify hypotheses and conclusions of conditional statements and write related conditionals. And finally, we will write and analyze biconditional statements and determine truth values of biconditional statements. Now, there are plenty of objectives, but we will break them down and learn them one by one. Please watch all the continuous videos in continuity. After the first video, only go to the next video because it is all in continuation. So if you miss this objective, the next objective will be very difficult. So in this video, we will just introduce ourselves with the first objective. The remaining will be continued in the next videos. Few of the key words in this lesson are truth value, negation, compound statement, conjunction, disjunction, hypothesis, if-then statement, and contrapositive. There are plenty of words, but as we move on and cover some topics, we will come across all these. So now, introduction to the truth value. Now say P and Q are some statements, okay? Conjunction means P and Q. Can you see the symbol over here, like inverted V? This is called and. Whereas or symbol is like this, like a V. This or is disjunction. And negation means this symbol, which is opposite or not that. Now let's see what it means. If we have some truth values, if P is truth and Q is truth, then conjunction will be truth. And disjunction also is truth. Negation is false and false. Now, I want you to understand this. Conjunction means and. So what does that mean? And means, okay, now, I need a book and a pen. Book and pen. Okay, now, let's try to analyze this. Can I write without a book? No, I need a book. Can I write without a pen? No, I need a pen. So I need both of this. Both of this must be true. So and comes in this picture. That means whenever I need a book and a pen, that means both must be true in order to become true. Even if one is false, one of it is false, then this will be false. So conjunction is only true when both are true. Otherwise, it's false, false, and false. Whereas disjunction is another way around. Disjunction is or. Let us think about pen or pencil. I ask you, I need a pen or pencil. So I don't need both. I need any one of this. So I will be asking you pen or a pencil. If I get a pen, it's fine. If one of this is true, it's fine. But if both are false, then only it is false. So if any one is true over here, this is true, true. But when both are false, only then this is false. And negation is opposite. If this is true, it is false. If this is false, it will be true. So now let's just see the other answers. So over here, conjunction, as you can see, if any one is false, because this is and, conjunction means and, any one is false, then it will be false. Both must be true in order to become true. Whereas disjunction is other way around. Both must be false to be false. If one is true, then it will be true. Negation is just not true. Like so an opposite, If it's true, it's not true. That is false. And if it is false, it's not false. That is true. So this is the truth values. Okay, this is basic logic. Now we will go ahead. And these are few of the statements. A statement is any sentence that is either true or false, but not both. A statement, now if I'm saying something, it can be either true or false. It can't be both true and false. Say, for example, Ali is going to the shop. Either Ali is going to the shop, that means it's true. If he's not going, it's false. It can't be true and false at the same time. A truth value is the truth or falsity of a statement. If the statement is true, then it's truth. If it's false, it's false. Both of this is called truth value. Statement are often represented as P or Q, as we saw. We will see in the future problems as well. And if a statement is represented by P, then not P is negation. Not P or negation. That symbol which we saw like this means negation. And then, sorry for this. Okay. The negation statement P is not P, or this is the symbol which we'll be using. So now we will quickly see an example, and then in the next video onwards we will solve problems based on this topic. So example for conjunction is, if you have a statement, it is raining. If you have another statement, it is cold. How do we write in conjunction? It is raining and it is cold, because you're joining by and. That's it. It is raining and it is cold. Whereas for disjunction, if you want a pencil, I want a pen. So disjunction is using or. I want a pencil or a pen. So this is example for conjunction, disjunction. In the coming video, we will see more example and using truth values and conjunction and disjunction.